Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about shaping and shaping the sides of the nails, especially trying to achieve oval nails. I hope you can hear me. So you know how I do this NS nail advice but the paid advice, because I do as much as I can free advice online, but if someone wants to have a guaranteed spot with me, then that is a paid advice and that's available online. So anyway, this viewer has sent me the pictures and all of her questions and her goals. And one of those goals was how to, well, actually, I don't think she even mentioned that. I noticed the fact that the sides of her nails were a little off, and I'm going to play that video to you. But today I wanted to show you her results. And by the way, I'm really sorry. The lighting is absolutely awful. I'm nursing a cold. I've been having a bit of a cold, but I'm so excited and I just couldn't wait to show you guys the amazing job that she did. Okay, so this is 2 months between, this was February 21st or something, and this is not even 2 months, right? So this is, actually she sent me these pictures already like 4 days ago, and I just managed to get to them. So let's just get a little bit closer, and I will let you know what I think and what I noticed. Okay, so in the previous video that I will play for you, this is incredible. I'm so happy. And this is why when I do these videos, I ask people to send me their progress as well, because I want to see, you know, if my advice is helping and what's working for people, what's not working, what they have challenges with. And this is, I'm so happy. Okay, so there's two things that I see right away. Well, three things. So I see the nails are much healthier. Okay, so the surface is way better. The second thing that I see, that the side walls are absolutely fantastic. She did such a good job shaping these nails, and also the skin around her nails. So that's the third thing, is absolutely amazing. So this is very healthy. It is absolutely normal to have that little bit of different skin around her nails. So this is living skin, this part that a lot of times people like to cut because it just looks dry or ugly. But when your skin is dry or ugly, you have to just moisturize and really protect and take care of that skin, and then it becomes beautiful. Because cutting is not always the answer. So as you can see here, she used to cut the skin around her nails, and it was kind of like, you see, and now it's so beautiful. All right, so this is one hand, and as you can see, the sides now are stronger. So when the sides are filed into like this, that weakens the nail, and the nail can break over here, and just the whole structure is absolutely off. And she has corrected this absolutely beautifully. What I would do, I would just shorten maybe this nail just a tiny bit to let this one catch up. But can you guys believe it? Because I can't believe it. Okay, so let's look at the other hand. I'm amazed. I'm absolutely amazed at this beautiful shape of her nails right now. Okay, so can you see these sides are nice and strong because they come out nice and straight, and then they taper beautifully. This is absolutely perfect shape. So this one was quite severe, right? And so this one was in a little bit more, and you can see here how beautiful it is. Same thing with this nail. I'm absolutely amazed, guys. This is incredible what I see, and I'm so happy that you guys are able to do this basically from my instructions online. So this is absolutely awesome. I love the internet when it comes to this type of stuff. Let's just go in a little bit closer, and let's talk about the ridges a little bit. Okay, it's absolutely normal to have ridges, to have texture to the nails, but as you can see, this is much healthier when that, look at this, right? So there was some damage from a gel or something like this that has grown out beautifully. The skin around the nails is healthier. It's really good. I'm very happy to see this. And let's watch the video that I sent her. Well, part of the video, because in the video we also talked about other things, but this is the part where I talked about the shaping. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and for sending me your requests. Thank you. Bye. You know, so your nails are actually not very damaged, which is pretty rare, and that's I'm very happy to say that. So they're not very overfiled or anything from what I see, but I'm a little bit concerned with the shaping. That is because I would not want to thin out the nail as far here. So in order to make that rounder shape, you want to file the white part only, but I would not file all the way through here because when there's a seal here, so the lateral folds are also a seal, so you don't want to be filing into those grooves as much. So what I would do is let this grow out a little bit like this, and then you can make the shape a little bit more oval. I'm not sure if you are aiming for that shape. Let's just see how your nails. Okay, so here they're more oval, and that's the problem, because in order to get such oval shapes, sometimes people really file into the sides quite a bit, and that would weaken the sides of the nails. I mean, you can still have them nice and rounded without filing so far into the sides. So you see up to here, this area from here, let me just see if I can make this bigger. So from here to here, this nail should not be, this should be straight down like this, and then go here. So you're missing a lot of the sidewall here. Yeah. Um, yeah, you see all the way up here, this is way too far. I get that question a lot because people see me filing the sides, and I get that question a lot. People say, like, is filing the sides such a bad thing or not? Because they hear that it's bad, but then they see me doing it. So then I reply, well, filing the white side is fine. It's just don't file into the pink side. So for you, that's a good example. Like, your nails are a good example of filing a little bit too far. Like here, it's too far, and here it's too far. It should be softer. So this should go all the way down here like this. And then if you want to make that oval shape, then you would kind of go like this. Same thing with this one. This one should go down like this, because they look a little bit too like harsh this way.